Welcome to this special sports series of Vastu Yash with me Gayatri and Dr. Avinash Deshpande. Well, today our sports celebrity is Virat Kohli. Well, to introduce him, he is our Indian cricketer. He is the middle order batsman who can also open the batting field. He made ODI debut in 2008 and was the recipient of ODI Player of the Year award in 2012. He has been rated as 13th most marketable athlete in the world. In the recent ODI series, as we saw against the Zimbabwe, India won all the 5 matches. And in the Indian scenario, that is in the Indian history of cricket, it is a very rare phenomenon. So what is the reason behind his success? Let's understand through numerology.
Hello, I welcome all viewers on behalf of Vastu Yash. Here we are discussing in this sports series particularly the success or failures of the great players. Now cricket is one of the most important game, or I can say that the game which I love too much. I of course keep an interest in football and hockey and tennis and whatnot. But cricket, naturally being Indian, I am very proud that now India is on the top of the world, winning all the ODIs and then whether it is 2020 or whether it is a test series. We got a player like Dhoni who is leading normally the Indian team, and he is putting India onto the top of the world. Now, recently what we saw when the Indian team went to Zimbabwe, Dhoni was not a captain. Virat Kohli got a chance to lead the team.
Yes.
And during his captaincy, we won all the 5 matches, and it was Zimbabwe had a complete whitewash. So this type of great success was achieved by Virat Kohli. Why? That is just something which immediately anyone thinks, and we want to analyze that through the numerology. See, Zimbabwe, basically particularly the birth date plays another important role, as I was always explaining to you, the viewers. So his birth date is 5th November 1988. So his driver means the sum total of birth day. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and sum total of 5 plus 11 plus 1988. If you bring it to the singleton, it becomes 6. So his driver is 5 and conductor is 6. And being conductor 6, so he is supposed to get a fame recognition because 6 is number which is represented by the Venus. 5, his driver, is the Mercury, which we say as a Rajputra, or what we say, the young person getting the success at a young age because his driver is 5. Now, personal year, as viewers are knowing that what is the personal year is, you have to just put this 5 plus 2, because this November is 1 plus 1. So what we are doing is, we are 2013, so we are replacing this birth year by the present year to understand what is the personal year for Virat Kohli. Now for Virat Kohli, 2013 is a personal year 4. Now as we are seeing in Roger Federer's case, he got a failure when he was having this 4, but which was comprised of 2 plus 2.
Yes.
But his driver was 8. Remember that time. Don't be under the impression that personal year 4 is bad. It's not so. Rather, you have to see the relation of personal year with driver. That is very important. In this case, the personal year is 4, and that is comprised of 1 and 3, which is 13. Is not an inauspicious number, by the way, because a lot of people all over the world think 13 is bad.
Yeah.
It's not so. 13 is rather, what is 13th? 1 is Sun, and which is the king of our planets, and 3 is Jupiter, Guru or Gnan or knowledge, what we say. So 1 plus 3 means the person will be getting a satisfaction or a mega success sort of, and all the recognition is because of this. So this 4, what happens is, this is the chart, please let viewers see this. The chart, basically what we see is, he has got 5, he has got 6, only digit 4 which was missing, he is getting that through the personal year. So the 4, 5, 6 link, which is we say the golden yoke or golden linkage, which is getting formed, and because of that a mega success he is getting. Because again 4 is represented by Rahu, which is the top part of the body or which is the head. So it is absolutely brain and something which is unique achievement. 5 is again the commercial success and 6 is the fame or recognition and all. Because of, so viewers, you must have understood that for a success, driver, conductor is important, and same way, what is the chart, what is your chart, birth chart, that plays very important role. And what digit are you getting through that personal year? Suppose that links are getting set or that yoga is getting formed, then why not you will not get success? There is 100% chance that person can get a success in that during that time, provided of course there is no clash of the driver and that particular personal year number digit. Again, age number also makes the difference, but anyway, this is the minor things of detailing of the numerology. So because of the 4, 5, 6 in a short, let's summarize this. So because of the 4, 5, 6 linkage, he got, which is a unique link, which is because it's an energy flow, actually starts from that point. This is not an episode to explain you the logics behind the numerology maybe, because then some other episode we can discuss that. But because of 4, 5, 6, the things were set for him, and that is why he won all the 5 matches. And during the future years also, I think he will be having the great years, because next year will be 5, which is his conductor year, and then further will be his driver year. So driver conductor years will be following. So he will be in 2014 also he will get a great success, whether he is a captain or a player. And again in 2016 also he will get definitely the success. So in recent or coming years, which we see, definitely he is bringing a great glory to Indian cricket team, or to Indians particularly. We should be proud of him. So we'll see him doing such type of performances day by day. So viewers, you must have understood how important is your birth date and the digits into it, and what digital language they play, and how the digits are changing your life and making it very interesting. So if you have any queries or questions, you can write it to us or get in touch with us for your personal guidance. Thank you very much. Once again, thanks for this episode. Thank you.
Thank you.